Here is how to use the rolling box peeling instrument. Install a cork cushion. When loading, align the cork pads before inserting them. Remember, the cork cushion needs to be installed during power failure. Power on the instrument. Turn on the power switch. Connect to the gas source. Display interface. Click to time. Enter the setting interface. Reset button. Start button. First click to turn on the air source. Point start. By adjusting the pressure regulating valve. Adjusting the pressure regulating valve. Adjust the air pressure to 0.2 兆帕. Prepare the prepared sample according to the standard requirements. Adhesive sealing on 4 sides. Sealing edge cannot exceed 3 毫米. Need to be dried to 2 小时 hours for use. Add sample and gray soft cotton. Close the warehouse door. Click to set the time. Click to start. Test start. During the test, click on the light mode. Observe the condition of the sample. After the test, compare the samples according to the standard. This is how to use the rolling box peeling instrument.